afternoon, everybody present here today. I am Alankrita, journalist at Fair Gaze, and today I am in an online interview, feeling immensely honored in the presence of Miss Sudha Penuli, Vice Principal, Eklavya Model Residential School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Ma'am is currently working with EMRS Kalsi, Dehradun since 2010. Ma'am, I heartily welcome you today.
Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, I'm eager to know your views on certain questions which we think are very important, and with your permission, I would like to start. So, ma'am, how do you reach all different kinds of learners? Being aware of the different learning styles and differences in the ways of learning in children, how do you accommodate the different needs of the students?
Okay. If you are asking, especially in case of this lockdown period, so I would like to inform you all first that ours is a residential school and run under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. And this is an ambitious scheme of Government of India for talented but underprivileged students of tribal community. This EMRS Kalsi Dehradun is one of its kind, only one in the entire Uttarakhand at present. And currently around 400 EMRSs are there all over India. So as it is a fully residential school, co-educational and senior secondary school, so in case of teaching during lockdown period, first of all we created these groups and uploaded lectures for the students. Initially nobody knew how long this lockdown will go on. So that's why everybody was thinking this is for the time being only, and within a month or two students will be back. So we recorded lectures, and the first phase for the students, it was an initiative in order to keep them in touch with their studies, because new session was started just at that time. And most of the students, not 100%, as I told you that most of our students are first generation learners. They belong to deprived class, not all, but more than 60%. So before starting online classes, we had to collect all those data. And then say after June, in mid-July, we started online classes. For that we created YouTube channels of each and every teacher, class subject wise, class wise. And last week everybody had started assuming that by the end of this September, school will be started, and maybe some of the classes, senior classes, board classes, students will be called in. So now we have started taking virtual classes. We have that established one studio on our school, and with the help of this Google Meet or Zoom or other apps, teachers have started taking virtual classes also.
Also, ma'am, parents are an integral part of online education. How do you see the support of parents to the school and education? And are parents able to fulfill the same needs that, the school used to do in the part of the overall and the holistic development of children?
Yeah, very, very good question. Now, when the students are there at home only, it has been more than 4-5. It is going to be almost 6 months. They are here, and now the time has come when teachers are being taken so sincerely. The role of teacher.
Correct.
People had started taking it lightly, but now they have realized what role do the teachers play in the life of the students. So the teachers at this time, when parents are there with them, it is more important than that of normal time, where they have to take very sincerely, they have to keep a watch on their children, what they are providing their child that smartphone for a while, for 2 hours or 3 hours, when the child says that I have to attend the class, I have to complete the home assignment and all, the parents don't have any other choice. But at the same time, they have to keep an eye on the child also what site he is opening with, because this is the human nature. So at this time it has become very, very important for parents and guardians also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also, do you think online education has given us ideas in the teaching styles which may be implemented even after the pandemic is over?
Yeah, definitely. The people have understood the importance of IT technology, how helpful it has been, especially during this period. As Honorable PM Sir continuously used to say that the need of the hour is to be more and more in touch with this technology, with the advancement and all. Apart from keeping our roof down, apart from being down to earth, I think everybody will be taking help from this technology. Online teaching will be helpful, especially in case of home assignments and projects, and especially during vacations for the preparation of board exams and all. This technology, this system can be highly helpful, not only for administration, school teachers, but students also.
Ma'am, thank you so much for taking your time out today, and you've given us such wonderful insights and perspectives. And I'm very sure that we are taking back home today many constructive perspectives and opinions from this interview. I'm very sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this platform.
Also, I would request everybody to take some time out and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube. Thank you.